AlphAI.io is a website that provides financial news for AI agents, and it's built specifically for them. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I have to say I was quite intrigued by this platform. It seems to be quite interesting. So they scan over 10,000 articles daily. They monitor roughly about 7,000 sources, and less than 1 in 5 actually makes their feed, which implies they're very selective and they only select the best to clear only the best clear the relevance flaw with a verified ticker, they're saying, and it takes about 6 minutes, which is quite interesting. Now you can even set up alerts, which I think is quite cool. So these are some things that people have built for agents and trading bots. Now this might require a bit of technical know-how, but I think for the most part, as in if you wanted to implement it with an API like a REST API or an MCP, but for the most part, we've got a new section here which shows us the latest, and it seems to be quite approachable. We've got the specific sources listed below, so you can see here we've got some earnings reports, cool, which sounds quite interesting, or some and forecasts ahead of earnings calls. Okay, cool. We've got this news here saying ditching streaming could boost Disney stock by 40%. Interesting stuff. But in any case, I think this is definitely a platform worth knowing about. They've got a whole list of different sort of ways you can integrate it up there. You can go directly to the news and read it yourself. But in any case, I thought this was interesting because I think, of course, more of the web needs to be made for AI agents. Anyone who's making websites or interfaces or platforms just for humans, at the moment, you're already sort of falling behind, because eventually agents will be navigating the web as we know it, especially as, you know, it gets a whole lot more noisy, right? It's going to take a longer time for a human being to navigate the web than it will an AI agent, that's for sure.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So yeah, definitely be mindful of that, and check out AlphAI if you think it would be useful for you.